Okay, here we are at installs. Here, this is a list of all installations we have for our clients. So in case we have the same client with 3 locations, we might have 3 different installations. Okay, we see client 1, 2, 3 has 3 different installations here. What can we do here? We see here the IP address and the name of the IP where the driver was installed. So that can be kind of helpful for the technicians on site to reinstall or to check what's going on here. Here in the edit column on the right hand side, we also have this info install. We can also add, this is also for notification purposes. But we can add here install location. That would be maybe the city of the location or something that is related to the office in the client. You can add some notes here, maybe business hours or whatever. And you can have here, you can request meter readings from here, or you can do it from some other button here more easily. So you can hit save. That's it. There's an interesting button here, which is the remote setup. This will send a message to the driver to, in this case, add a printer. You can add a printer by adding the IP address. You can scan for a printer, which is it's a normal fast scanner. Just make sure it's not the antivirus might block if you do this scanning for sometimes. The Discovery is kind of a slow mode scanner that works permanently in the background. It's very, very slow, so it's not loading the network at all, but it's always coming. If the client installs a new printer, it will show up and you don't have to scan or install a new printer here. Okay. You can also request send counters, sync, info install, or even turn off or turn on the driver. Okay, that will be it. And the last here, you have this green icon, which is simply request meter readings and sync information from the installation in the driver to the database. So that's it for installs.